Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu Meanings. November 27, 2022. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. 1. Sordid, adjective.
बदुनवान, घटिया.
Example, the story paints a sordid picture of bribes and scams. 2. Hubris, noun.
इंतहाई खुद एतमादी, घमंड, गुरूर.
Example, the self-assured hubris among economists was shaken in the late 1980s. 3. Relentless, adjective.
कड़ा, शदीद, सख्त, बेरहम.
Example, the relentless heat of the desert. 4. Conscience, noun.
अतलामान, नियत, ज़मीर.
Example, he had a guilty conscience about his desires. 5. Toxic, adjective.
जहरीला, जरासीमी जहर.
Example, the dumping of toxic waste. 6. Authoritarian, adjective.
आमिर, आमिरियत पसंद, इस्तबदाना, तहक्कुम पसंद.
Example, the transition from an authoritarian to a democratic regime. 7. Horrific, adjective.
हैबतनाक, खौफनाक.
Example, horrific injuries. 8. Indigenous, adjective.
मुल्की, मकामी, किसी खास जगह पाया जाने वाला.
Example, the indigenous peoples of Siberia. 9. Indictment, noun.
फर्द जुर्म, इल्जाम.
Example, an indictment for conspiracy. 10. Speculation, noun.
कयास आराई करना, सट्टाबाजी.
Example, there has been widespread speculation that he plans to quit. 11. Rife, adjective.
गालिब, ताकतवर, जोरावर, इंतहाई भरा हुआ.
Example, male chauvinism was rife in medicine. 12. Diversity, noun.
तनव्वुक, फर्क, जुदागाना, अलग-अलग.
Example, there was considerable diversity in the style of the reports. 13. Provoke, verb.
ललकारना, उकसाना, जाहिर करना, गुस्सा दिलाना.
Example, the decision provoked a storm of protest from civil rights organizations. 14. Hindrance, noun.
रखना, खलल, आर, रुकावट.
Example, a hindrance to the development process. 15. Congregation, noun.
इस्तिमा, मजमा.
Example, the singing of psalms by the whole congregation. 16. Reconciliation, noun.
मुसालहत, सुलह मुतनासिब ताल्लुकात.
Example, his reconciliation with your uncle. 17. Pledge, noun.
गिरवी, कफालत, अहद, वदा करना.
Example, the conference ended with a joint pledge to limit pollution. 18. Cohesion, noun.
इत्तेहाद, मिलाप, रब्त, हमाहंगी.
Example, the work at present lacks cohesion. 19. Feverish, adjective.
बुखार से मुताल्लिक, बेकरार.
Example, she felt sick and feverish. 20. Enormous, adjective.
बहुत बड़ा, गैर मामूली, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Example, enormous sums of money. 21. Temptation, noun.
लालच, झांसा देना, फिसलाना.
Example, he resisted the temptation to call Celia at the office. 22. Contentious, adjective.
मुतनाज़ा, झगड़ालू.
Example, a contentious issue. 23. Misery, noun.
बदनसीबी, तकलीफ, ख्वारी.
Example, a man who had brought her nothing but misery. 24. Bereft, adjective.
जुदाई का गम, मोहब्बत में नाकाम, आरी, महरूम.
Example, her room was stark and bereft of color. 25. Anarchy, noun.
लाकानूनियत, इंतशार.
Example, a state of lawlessness or political disorder due to the absence of governmental authority. 26. Deficit, noun.
खसारा, कमी, फाजिल.
Example, an annual operating deficit. 27. Bust, verb.
नाकामी, नाकाम होना, दिवालिया हवन.
Example, they bust the tunnel wide open. 28 precisely, adverb.
बिल्कुल ठीक, ठीक ठाक.
Example, the guidelines are precisely defined. 29 deficit, noun.
खसारा, कमी, फाजिल.
Example, an annual operating deficit. 30 propensity, noun.
झुकाव, मील, तबलीग.
Example, his propensity for violence. 31 innovative, adjective.
तख्लीकी, इख्तिराई, इख्तिराई, नया.
Example, innovative designs. 32 surge, verb.
तेजी से ऊपर चढ़ना, जोर से हिलना या हिलाना.
Example, the journalists surged forward. 33 stagnant, adjective.
बेहरकत, मुर्दा पानी.
Example, a stagnant ditch. 34 parity, noun.
बराबरी, मुतवाज़ित.
Example, parity of incomes between rural workers and those in industrial occupations. 35 detrimental, adjective.
नुकसानदेह, मुज़िर, ज़रर रसा.
Example, recent policies have been detrimental to the interests of many old people. 36 prevail, verb.
बाकी रहना, कायम रहना, कायल कर लेना.
Example, it is hard for logic to prevail over emotion. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.